Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've made a video, but I got some stuff in the mail today and I wanted to upload a video to kind of go over what I got. I'm going to do an unboxing video. For those of you who haven't been to my channel before, I do nail videos now. I used to do videos just of random stuff, but I've recently decided that I was going to do videos about my nails. I actually paint my nails, and recently have decided to try dip nails, so dip powders. And for those of you that don't know what that is, that's where you actually use almost like an epoxy or liquids to paint your nails and then dip it into a powder and then seal it in and then do a top coat. And it's actually a really fun process and very easy, but it makes a very hard nail coat to make your nails very strong. And it's a hard process to chip and to flake. It doesn't wear off very easily. So it's great for anybody who is a little rough on their nails. But I got this Glam box from Rossi nails, and we're going to open it up and see what colors I got today. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see the colors. There are 6 colors in here, so we'll take our time and go over each of the colors and see what they are called and what they look like. So this is like a red color, and we'll open it up and see what the official name is. It's called Danger, and it's a nice red. Okay, on to the next one. Ooh, it's a nice glitter color. So some of them are creamy colors, like that last one was just a regular cream-based color. No fanciness to it, just regular, straight-up color. This one has color with a glitter built into it, and this is called It's Summertime, and it looks like a pink glitter. We've got another pinkish color, so we'll open this one up and see what the color name is. Cherry. So it's just called Cherry, and it's a nice pink color. Don't know that I will wear that one, so I might be stashing it or destashing it and giving it away to somebody else. Kind of hard to tell what this color is. It looks kind of like a purplish color. Called Province, and outside of the box it does look more like a purplish color. Ooh, another glitter. And this time it's a silver-based glitter called Snowdrop. And last but not least, looks like it's a white color, and we'll see what the name of it is here in a second. And it might be a nude because it's called Bride to Be, so it's looks more like a nude outside of the box than white based off of what it looked like inside the box. So outside of the box it looks more like a nude color. So those are the colors that I got, and I will if I do a video with me doing swatches of the colors or anything like that, or you guys want to see something like that, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try to post another video. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll be posting this video here shortly. If you guys like the video, definitely do a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Happy holidays, guys. Bye.